MeghalayaPost.news.
Kaprime Startup Hub Hapo Nongpoh Kabu Ksiar Ïaki Nongsengkam Lajong Kaprime Meghalaya Kalapanmi dak Sorkar Jela Haus nem ajak khandai benkersan bat kentiu Ïaki Nongsengkam Lajong mentakas ngi kalanang penyiar bat penjan siki paiba dak bapli sakawai pat ka office rekam Nongpoh downgrade ya kabalatip kum Kaprime Startup Hub ya ketika tenat rekam jong Kaprime Meghalaya lawan bapli paiba da uba Jonathan Sela Additional Deputy Commissioner Kariboy District kum Kongsan hagajing don langru uba Kening Star Nongrum Administrative Head Kaprime Hub Upranjal Konwar Chief Operating Officer ka IIMCIP uba Sylvester Mansong rong ba Shnong ka Nongpoh ka Kong Mary Toy Center Manager ka Prime Hub Nongpoh Ïaki Nongsengkam Seng Lajong pat kiwi kiri rong ba nakaliang uba Jonathan Sela bakren hakne kasngi kumukongsan ula ai ka jingkublei ka bakarpang ya ka Prime Meghalaya ka balashim ya ka senjam ban pli ya ka tenat rekam Nongpoh bat kane ka dei ka Kabu Ksiar Ïaki samla jong ka district manlong kum kalat ban kentiu ya ka sap kapong bat ban peniar ki kam ki jam jongki namar watla bun ki samla kila pendep ki jingpuli ba per henry galong ka bae ya ka sorkar ban penbiang kini ki samla da ki kam sorkar.
Congratulate Prime, the entire team for this. I'm sure, like Pranjal has said, it's a realization of a dream. And it's a culmination in some ways of all the hard work that you have put in to bring up, to set up this office, but also the beginning in many other ways for the people from Nongpoh, for the different entrepreneurs who are gathered here today, and also many more, I'm sure, from Ripoy entrepreneurs who will come and participate. I'd just like to share a few things. I think Mr. Pranjal will agree with me that Prime, the motivation for starting an initiative like Prime would have been probably unemployment, right? Lack of opportunities, lack of avenues for our entrepreneurs in the state. And you know, from a personal experience, I had a first-hand experience with crushing unemployment. So about 4 years ago, I was posted in Ksiar Ïaki. I was Additional Deputy Commissioner in Ksiar Ïaki. And as you all know what has happened with the closure of the coal mines and all that, a lot of people were just basically just loafing about, loitering without any direction, without any guidance. And we could see in our study, in our meetings with different departments, we could see that also gave rise to increased usage of drugs, crime. So I remember Sir Baranwal was also the DC then. We thought, okay, let's do something. Let's try and encourage. Let's try and unleash the potential of our youth in these ginger hills. We didn't really know how to do it. We didn't have an organizational structure. We didn't really have much ideas about it. But we did sit around and discuss what can we do. And we came up with some very basic idea. Quite humbling ideas actually. So we thought, okay, we'll get these people to come from outside to teach our people how to make phenyl, how to make harpic, how to make soap. And we got whatever funds we managed from the office. We got these people to come from Assam, from Kolkata. They came all the way to East Hills. And to our surprise, you know, we had a lot of people. There was a lot of response for it. And they actually participated. It was a 1 week or 10-day program. They participated. And out of probably the 20-30 people who participated, only 5 really started with their own products. Nagwa man ang Ïaki Ïaki Nongsengkam Seng ini isamla yung tram na play kam na jong gani Kabu Ksiar Ïaki kumbala ang ikom ay ba gani ng office Prime na long kay jong kabala ang kun ulong Ïaki jingangot jong na magpitik ni baraw ta. Kaya it's a fact, but a state yung ilani anywhere else. Kasorkar kam la ay kam ya baro kisamahan. No matter what your qualification, give them the capacity at the government yung ay kam ya pibaro. That is why in such a situation, you don't walk around the Prime. Kabanyarap man pinilan tiyapi. ban ai pi ka motivation, ban ai pi ka exposure, ban ai pi ka training, kaya nga sa lok lang kumno pi la ban pensan Ïaki business. Kaya kadai ka kumbaga kani ka Kabu Ksiar Ïaki Nongsengkam boy ban na ka tuyo pi ban ra kani ka kubo cheki parlok pi pakinuan ya shipment talang but when you share the ideas of being a thrive prime will be able to help you and yarap your people pensan and can have but can give Ïaki business ideas to be
MeghalayaPost.news